Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to pay monthly with Amazon. So guys, in this video, first thing that you will do is go to amazon.com, and then from here guys, just search any items that you prefer. So let's say I'm gonna buy this one. Let's just click on it. And then from here guys, once you have selected your product, you can just go ahead and click add to cart. And from here, guys, you can just go ahead and click proceed to check out. And after that, it will redirect you to another tab. So from here, guys, what you need to do is select your payment plan as pay over time with Affirm. So guys, with this toggle on, you will have to pay this item in installments. So guys, just select this payment plan, and then from here guys, just select use this payment method. Then after that guys, just select use this address. It's just confirming your address, and then after that, you are gonna go with continue to application guys. And then from here, guys, just provide your mobile number and verify your necessary information in order to proceed. So, guys, this is the only way in order to you to pay the product in Amazon in monthly. So, guys, as you can see, Affirm offers you a no hidden charges and a no late charges, and you'll know upfront what you'll pay, and also checking loan eligibility won't affect your credit score. So guys, Affirm has an offer to buy now and pay later. And then guys, after you provided your necessary information, you'll be able to pay your product in monthly. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!